class. Today we're going to continue our conversation and learning about ratios. We're going to dig a little deeper into word problems. These word problems are a little bit more wordy and more specific than some of the problems we've looked at in the past. We are going to first start by talking about a couple of strategies to help you decipher word problems. Another question. Looks like we're traveling. A car travels 420 miles in 8 hours. I see two numbers, 420 and 8. If a car continues at the same rate, how far will the car travel in 12 hours? Well, again, order says what goes first goes on top. So it looks like miles goes on top, hours goes underneath. So how many miles do I have in the first part of the question? 420. So I'm just going to replace miles with 420. Over hours, 8 miles over hours. So I go to the second part of the question. Again, miles is on top, hours is down below. How far will the car travel? Well, how far is a distance? I don't know. Some type of miles, so we'll put an X. Will the car travel in hours? Do I know the hours? Yeah, second number, hours, goes on the bottom, 12. As things get more complicated, you may have to convert hours to minutes or something like that. But for this, we don't have to. How do we solve these? Y'all did great the last few days on this. So remember, you're going to cross multiply and then divide by the number attached to the X sheet. This one's about movie tickets. You're asked to write a ratio. A ratio of the cost to the number of movie tickets is $8 to 2. If Muhammad wanted to buy 6 movie tickets, how much would it cost? So we are playing around with a few different numbers here. I see that there is a proportion here of 80 to 2. This is TO, or that division sign. So it's a fraction, just written sideways. So we could use that and place it onto this proportion. Muhammad wanted to buy 6 more movie tickets. How much would it cost? Well, if 80 comes first, and that's a dollar sign, dollars are on top, number of tickets 2 is on the bottom. So when we go over here, the cost is on top. Since it says how much cost, we don't know, so we could place an X. Dollars on top, number of movie tickets on the bottom. How much, we don't know, but for how many tickets? 6. So that 6 will go under there. Now here's a little longer word problem. It says Mr. Benson is planning to take a trip to Egypt. Have always wanted to go. The exchange rate is approximately $1 for every 6 pounds of Egyptian money. Again, dollars on top, pounds on the bottom. Dollars over pounds. At this rate, how many dollars would Mr. Benson get if he exchanged 132 pounds, pounds on the bottom, fill this out with the other information, and solve. Good luck. Have a good day.